it going, you guys? I'm here in sunny South Florida. We finally had a good day today. I drove all the way to Fort Lauderdale, 1 hour drive. I woke up at 4:30 in the morning today, New Year's Day, and today we are going to use planers to go trolling for some, I don't know, tuna, mahi-mahi,
kingfish, wahoo, mahi, blackfin tuna.
All right, we got a lot of variety. This is my friend Angel, Uncle, and he invited me out on this beautiful boat. It's really nice. We're gonna have a great time today. All right, Angel, what are we working with today?
All right, today we're using a TLD 50 on a star rod and a planer. We're mostly doing planer trolling today. You put your 100-foot leader with your lure on the back and this one, and your swivel to your top one. And basically when you're trolling, this is in this position, pulling your bait down. And then when you get a fish, this will snap like that, and your rod will go from being bent to having no tension, and you reel it in. And then you got to hand line your 100-foot leader.
All these techniques are totally new to me. I've never done this before. Angel says that the rod will actually be pretty flexed when we're trolling, and once a fish gets on, the planer like snaps up, so the rod will actually lose the tension. And if it's a big fish, we'll see it go like this, which is gonna be exciting. Hopefully we see that a bunch today. Let's do it. Starting trolling already?
Yep. Alright, and you set the planer, you pull some line out, and then you let it go. Alright, you see the tension? Now, when that tension comes back off, we have a fish on.
Alright, we're gonna see that tension come off a bunch of times today. All right, Angel has set up our first trolling rod. We've got the planer down there. We've got about 100 feet of leader coming off of it, and we're going around 8 miles an hour. We're gonna keep trolling and see what bites. Once the rod tip comes up, that means that there should be a fish. So, fingers crossed, let's do it. What is this?
So this is a 3.5 ounce blue drone spoon. It's used to catch king, mahi, tuna, you name it. Now, we need to let this out 100 feet behind the boat, put a full on. Alright? I'm gonna do what now?
No way.
Yep, there's one on. Oh yeah.
We got a fish on.
I think.
See it, now we gotta hand line the rest. Oh yeah. Oh no, that's a planer.
No, that's
a fish. It's a fish.
Blackfin tuna.
Blackfin tuna. Guys, we got a fish. It's not a false alarm. I can't believe it. Look at that guy.
Oh no, I'm thinking of Bonita.
It's a Bonita.
Bonita.
Wow, look at that.
Done with your life and left me out. I thought that we would last forever. Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights.
Fish on, guys. It's a big one.
Keep fish. Wow. Whatever it is, it's huge. Oh, it's on top. It's on top.
Might be a kingfish. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm here with this guy.
It's a big king.
He's spitting out. He's spitting out.
No.
Spitting out.
No. We lost the big king, guys. Oh my God. We'll get another one, but man, that sucks.
Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño.
Oh. Fish on. Unless we're stuck. Is it pulling?
Yeah.
All right.
Can I tighten it down?
Maybe a little bit.
Needed that. I needed
Fish on the top water. We needed this pick-me-up after we just lost a planer. I can't believe it. Hey! That thing was pulling hard too.
He smoked that thing.
We got smoked! All right, I wonder what it is.
All I need is an answer. Are you in this for real?
Yeah, that's different.
Sushi! If he would have swam forward,
Oh man.
when you let off,
Yeah.
he would have been gone.
All right, guys, we just caught our first good eating fish of the day. It is a black fin tuna. It is really, really pretty. Look at this guy.
Me, and you hold it against me. I've been trying to drink water.
Eating. Oh, fish on.
Hold it. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't let him get down.
Dude, this
Don't let him
is
get
a
down.
good fish.
Take it off.
Take it, take it, take it.
Take it off. He's shaking his head.
Might be a shark then.
I don't know what it is.
Fish on, guys. First reef fish. We're bottom fishing right now.
I see color.
The cop's still going?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Red grouper.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah! Yeah, it's a strawberry grouper. Bring it in.
That's a red. Not a strawberry.
Is it season? I thought grouper season ended yesterday. Oh, it's closed January 1st.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it says right here. Look.
I was trying to read. There was a.
Oh man.
Don't go messing with my heart if you care at all. Don't go.
Bye bye.
This one's right.
Oh, she's slowing down.
How do you do wheelies? Alright guys, we had a really great day today. We did a lot of planer trolling, and then we did just like 30 minutes of reef fishing. We caught that red grouper. It was short, and today was the first day of the closed season, so even if it was legal, we couldn't have taken it. But we did get 2 sand tile fish, which are supposed to be pretty good eating. And so we kept them. I looked up the regs, and there is no size or bag limit. So yeah, now we're gonna go get a bite to eat because we haven't eaten all day. So we're driving back, and man, thanks again to Angel for taking us out.